And so it begins.
Kelly and his team in the late 40s and into the 50s worked in complete secrecy on the project to become America's first fighter jet. In the desert, there was no room for them as the war effort for World War II was well underway. So in old circus tents, basically, next to the facility in the desert of California, work began in secrecy and on a handshake at the time to develop the first jet fighter. The Germans had already done it, and America needed to answer that. And they joined the Skunk Works. What a story that was. The secrecy, those working on it, the young engineers, and I stress young, most of them around the age of 30. To its grace, its beauty, it's still so impressive all these years later. This is a Canadian-built version of the T-33. Greg has acquired 3 of them over time and a 4th one for spare parts, and he just loves flying them and demonstrating what he calls the Airshow. Skunk Works, as in Skunk Works, that terribly smelling place that if you knew the little after cartoon strips, you knew where it came from. And then it began, of course, Skunk Works, as it stands today, still so secret.
And look how beautiful that airplane still is all these years later. Greg says it's a joyous series. It's with a triathlete,
and you have to be to fly jets. It's constant G's every time you turn. David Windmiller pulling some and pushing some incredible G's today in our opening act. But these are sustained G's in the jets all the way around. 2, 3, 4 G's, sometimes more. So he's working hard throughout this routine, constantly fighting the G's. And he stays in shape again on that bicycle, taking good care of himself. Greg Collier out of California. To get the energy needs too, with that jet engine, to continually roll down the show line, arching at its highest point at show center, and exiting at the same altitude he entered. Very precise flying. Greg Collier took a picture of the big skunk on the side of the buildings because I thought that'd be pretty cool. And by the time I got back in the car, there were security people all around me wanting to know what I was taking pictures of. Still take it very secretly or seriously, and they're still working on the next big thing.
He might even be giving you a wave as he goes by. Check the front seat of the jet as Greg Collier approaches down in the T-33.
Jet fighter. Right now, Greg is dialing up the speed, and it doesn't do that all that quickly with the older technology.
And with those straight waves driving high G jet with turbulence, but he is showing you how maneuverable that design was all those years ago. precisely the way to go.
Setting up for his last maneuvers as the T-33 shooting star. He's going to give you your best photo opportunity. Greg Collier in the T-33. Canopy, if you just popped it just a bit and opened it up, it acted like a speed brake at a certain speed so it doesn't pull off. So you watch Greg, it's a hot day today. Shortly after those wheels touch down and the nose wheel comes and he gets the speed down, he's going to pop the canopy. It's just going to come up a little bit once he gets the nose wheel down. He's doing aerodynamic braking right now.
And then he uses the canopy. There, see the canopy's popped open just a bit, and that becomes the speed brake as well. And he's getting lots of air right now. Please give him a huge wave when he takes his fly. He's worked very hard for us.